Hello everyone, my dear viewers. Today I will tell you how to crochet such a cute cap with a lapel. But before starting the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I remind you that this is the second part of my video about this hat. The link to the first part of the video should appear in the upper right corner of the screen. This cap with a lapel is crocheted using melange yarn. However, I had a problem. I've run out of it. It happens that way, but I wasn't upset. I just took the white yarn. The white yarn did not spoil the look of my hat at all. I imposed 80 loops for this hat. It's so big. I fixed it here and left it. Then we'll go through this thread like this and tighten one side of our hat. After that, the cap will look something like this. That is, this is how we make the top of our hat. And for beauty, I make a lapel like this with my hands. You can make not one lapel, but 2 or 3. It all depends on your taste. I remind you that I originally typed 80 loops. Remember, if you have a large head volume, then you can make more loops. Conversely, if you don't have a large head volume, then you can make fewer rows. It's all individual. There is no framework. I did everything without a diagram and by eye. An attentive viewer may notice that not melange yarn is used here. At the same time, due to the fact that the whole hat is in such iridescent colors, there is no replacement of yarn, and I didn't have enough melange yarn for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There was not enough yarn for 6 rows. I knitted these 6 rows with white yarn. It is white, not pink. Why? Because there is more white in the melange yarn than pink. Due to the use of white yarn, the replacement of yarn from one to another is almost invisible. I made this hat in 2 evenings. All I have to do is fix the top of the hat. Decorate it with a pom-pom. That's all. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and write your comments. Bye bye.